Welcome, beloved couples.
To this guided couples sleep, breath, and meditation. Tonight is an invitation to rest, to soften, and to drift into sleep while knowing the one you love is beside you. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to hold together. Just allow yourself to arrive exactly as you are. Let your eyes remain gently closed. Let the day release its grip. This is a safe place to let go.
As you lie here, know that you are not alone in the night. The presence of the one you love, their energy, their spirit, their quiet protection creates a field of safety around you. Tonight is not for thinking. Tonight is for rest, and rest is sacred. We'll begin with a gentle breath that helps the body soften into sleep and opens the doorway to the dream state. The first process of breath in our sequence is slow, easy, and deeply calming. Begin by breathing in through the nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathing out through the mouth for a count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Longer exhales signal the nervous system that it is safe to rest. Let's move through this together. We're going to do this 4 different times. Inhale through the nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale through the nose. 2, 3, 4. Exhale the mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Final one. Inhale the nose. 2, 3, 4. Exhale the mouth. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Now we'll add one gentle moment of stillness in this breathwork sequence to sleep. Take a slow, full breath in through the nose, filling the lungs completely, and gently hold the breath for 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly exhale the breath out, emptying the lungs fully, and gently hold again, resting in the emptiness for 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now release all effort. Allow your breath to return to its own natural rhythm. You do not need to control it anymore. Let the breath breathe you naturally. Let the sound of our voices and the gentle background tones guide you naturally towards sleep.
Begin to notice the weight of your body, your head resting, your neck supported, your shoulders melting down. Your arms grow heavy, your hands soften, your legs release completely. The bed holds you effortlessly. There is nothing to brace for, nothing to listen for.
If any tension remains, you don't need to fix it. Just allow gravity in the night to take over. Rest is already happening.
Without moving, without reaching, simply know that the one you love is near. You don't need to see them. You don't need to touch them. Just knowing is enough. Two souls resting side by side, two nervous systems settling together.
There is an invisible connection between two people who love one another. It does not sleep. It does not fade in dark. Even as your body drifts, this connection remains quiet, protected, steady. You can rest inside that knowing as we sit in silence for a few moments. In ancient wisdom traditions, the night was seen as a sacred veil, a time when the soul moves freely and the heart speaks without words. As you rest, imagine, without effort, that your heart and your partner's heart are gently aware of one another. No effort required, no intention needed, just presence.
You may sense warmth, or calm, or nothing at all. All of it is perfect. Love exists even when the mind grows quiet. And tonight, love stands watch. Let the events of the day dissolve now, not reviewing, not fixing, just fading away, like stars softening at dawn. Whatever felt heavy can rest until morning.
There is nothing unfinished that needs you right now. Sleep is healing. dreaming is intelligent. You are allowed to rest completely and let go. As you drift deeper, remember this: the one you love is beside you, not only in body, but in the energy and spirit. A quiet devotion exists between you, a shared field of care. Even in sleep, you are held. Let's stay in silence for a few moments as the energy of love and sleep guide you.
Let that knowing soften you further. You are cherished. You are protected. You are not alone in the dark. Allow love to stay awake so you don't have to. Now, if sleep comes now, let it come gently. Slowly go to sleep.
Rest deeply and safely, knowing the one you love lays beside you, knowing the one you love is with you as you go into the night, into your sleep, into the dreams. You are not alone.
As you sleep, may your dreams be peaceful and your heart feel safe.
And may the quiet bond between you carry through the night in this sacred space of you and the one you love.